everyone, I'd like to introduce you our plastic recycling line. Let's look at the first one. It's a heavy-duty crusher. It can process your PP, PE, LDPE, also the HDPE, and the PET. So you can crush all kinds of plastic with this crusher. It's very high efficient. Okay, look at this one. The crusher equipped with two friction washers. You can see there are two friction washers. It will washing your plastic very clean. And you can see the second friction washer. It is connected to a washing tank. You can see it's around 10 meters long. If your plastic is very dirty, so you can add this washing tank so that your materials will be very clean. Okay, after washing, your plastic materials will be out of from this vertical lifter. Okay, next, you can see this is a conveyor belt. Your plastic will enter into this force feeder. You can see the force feeder is equipped with a draft shaft. It will not block plastics. It's very convenient and high efficient. Okay, this is the host stage. Okay, we can see here. This is also the host stage. We have the two host stage. Okay, let's look at here. The two host stage. Then this is the second stage. The material will flow into the second stage. Next, the plastic will flow into the third stage. You can see here, we equipped two hydraulic die head. You can change night non-stop machine. Very convenient. Okay, this is a washing tank, just cooling down your plastic. Finally, this pellet cutter. Your plastic materials will be cut into small granulars finally. Okay, you can see this is the complete line. It's very high efficient. It's one bigger capacity, and if you have your request, you can send us inquiry. Our professional team will provide you the most suitable proposals. Okay, bye-bye.